everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing super amazing. So in today's video I will be creating this very soft nude sort of makeup look. So without wasting any more further time, let's get started. Also guys, make sure you just subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and also follow me on all of my social media. So guys, I'm gonna start off by applying some glow to my face. Like for that I'm using this MAC stroke cream and I'm in the shade Pink Light. So basically I'm just mainly focusing on the area where I need highlighting and a glowing effect, like on my cheekbones, around my forehead and on bridge of my nose and on my chin as well. And with the help of my finger I'm just blending it out. Next up guys, I'll be adding a foundation to my face. For that I'll be using this L'Oreal Infallible foundation and I'm in the shade Golden Beige. So guys, this foundation is super amazing. Also I'm going very light handed this time because I really don't want that heaviness on my face. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to apply a small stroke first with the help of brush and then I'm just going to blend it out. By the way, I'm using this Real Technique foundation buffing brush, and guys, Real Technique brushes are super amazing. It is like an one-time investment. Definitely check it out. Now guys, I'm going to conceal my imperfection. For that I'll be using this LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Pure Beige, and guys, this concealer is exactly matches to my skin tone, so you can barely see any product on my face. So I have just applied that under my eyes and with the help of this brush I'm just going to blend it out. And by the way guys, this concealer is also so amazing. Also this is one of the bestest concealer, like loved by everyone, so definitely check it out. I'm going to link down all of the product name, detail and everything in the bottom bar, so do check it out. Next up guys, what I'm gonna do is again I'm going to add a little bit of concealer on the highlighting area, like on my forehead, bridge of my nose and also on my chin. And with the help of same brush I'm just going to blend that out. Now guys, to define my face structure more, for that I'll be using this sugar contour stick and I'm in the shade Fawn first. So basically I'm just going to apply that on the hollow of my cheeks, my forehead and on my jawline, just to make my feature look so sharp. And with the help of this Real Technique blending brush, and I'm just going to blend all of the product out. And guys, this contour stick is amazing because it blend out like a dream. Also you really don't have to do lots of mehnat, like ये बहुत कम मेहनत में आपका प्रोडक्ट बहुत इजीली ब्लेंड कर देगा. ऑल्सो दीज आर सुपर अफोर्डेबल एंड चेक इट आउट. Now guys, to set everything into place, for that I'll be using this MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder and I'm in the shade NC25 and I'm just using this fluffy Real Technique brush and I'm just going to swirl it all around my face when I'm mainly focusing on the area where I have applied the cream product. And also this compact powder is amazing and it has such a nice coverage. Next up guys, to add some sort of a color on my cheeks, for that I'll be using this Color Bar Matte Illusion blush and I'm just going to apply that on the apple of my cheeks. Now guys, I'm going to use this Hoola bronzer and I'm just going to intensify my contouring more, and I'm just going to apply that with the same brush which comes along with it. And I'm just mainly focusing on the area where I have applied the contour product and I'm just going to blend it. Also I'm going to work on my nose as well just to look more sharp. Next up guys, I'll be using this NYX eyebrow mascara and I'm in the shade Espresso 0203 something, and I'm just going to do my eyebrow. So mainly I'm focusing on the sparse area, like where I have gap. And guys, let me tell you, this product is super amazing. It is like a time saving sort of product. If you are somebody who really don't love doing full-fledged of eyebrow, just invest your money in this product. You're gonna love it guys. Also this is so affordable. Now guys, for my eye makeup I'll be using this Huda Beauty palette. From that palette I'm going to pick this color up and I'm just going to buff this color on my crease area and I'm just going to intensify my crease more. Next up guys, I'll be picking up this color and I'm just going to apply that on my lid, like everywhere around on my lid. And guys, this eye makeup is so simple to achieve. It is nothing like a rocket science sort of thing that you cannot achieve, and you can use any of the product you have. You really don't have to use the same product which I am using. So आपके पास जो भी product you have in your vanity, just use it to create anything basically. So yeah, And now guys, I'm taking this clean fluffy brush and I'm just blending everything together just to look even. Next up guys, I'll be using the same color which I have applied on my crease on my lower lash line and blending it with this flat shader sort of brush. Now guys, I'm going to use this shimmer shade, and I'm just going to apply that with a fluffy brush. I just want to add little bit of sheen on my lid, just it so it won't look flat. Yes, that's all. I'm done with my eye makeup. Now I'm going to apply a mascara. For that, I'll be using this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and I'm just loving this mascara these days, you guys. This mascara is amazing, and I'm just going to apply that on my top and bottom lashes. Also guys, mascara is something that really takes your eye makeup game to the next level, trust me. And with this mascara I literally fell in love with, because it works so amazingly on my eyes. I became a mascara lover these days. Next up guys, I'm going to apply a highlighter. For that, I'll be using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold, and I'm just going to apply that with this fine fan brush, and I'm just going to apply that on my cheekbones, on bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, and on my cupid bow, also on my chin as well. Next up guys, I'm going to tightline my waterline. For that, I'll be using this Maybelline Tattoo Line crayon pen in the shade brown. And now for my lip color guys, I'll be using this Faces Canada lip crayon. I think I'm in the shade I Am Yours or something. And guys, this is such a nice warm nude color which suit all skin type, I believe so. And yes guys, here I complete my final makeup. This is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video, and if you really did so, then make sure you just hit the like button, share with your friends and family. And till then, bye, see ya, take care, and I'll see you in my next video. And thanks for watching everyone.